Good morning, students. So, the next topic that we are going to do is complement of a set. Okay, which is shown by either this or you can use a small c. Okay, so as we all know that U is an universal set. Okay, and inside this universal set, if you have a set which is defined as A, okay, and we know that A is the subset of U, is not it? So elements which is present in A will be the subset of the universal set, and the element which is outside the set A will also be acted as the subset of U. So if the element present in the set A, element present inside the set is known as A, and the outside will be known as A dash, that is complement. Okay, it is either shown by this or you can say it is shown by this. For example, suppose if you have a universal set ranging from 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and 10, and inside this universal set, if I am writing set A with all the even numbers, okay, so how will it look like? 2 4 6 8 and 10, and remaining will be outside this set A. That means this set is your set A, and the outside numbers will be the complement, that is the numbers outside the set A will be known as the complement, that is 1 3 5 7 and 9. So this is the concept of complement of a set, which can be either written as U minus A. Okay, so this is about single set. Suppose, let me take another question. If you have two sets together, okay, suppose universal set U has 1 2 3 4 5 and 6, and A is defined as 2 and 3, and B set has 3 4 and 5. Okay, and you have to calculate, find A dash B dash, A dash intersection B dash, and hence show that A union B complement is equal to A complement intersection B complement. Okay, so how you will do, let us see this question. So A is your 2 comma 3, so A dash will be 2 and 3, that means A dash will be 1 4 5 and 6. B is 3 4 and 5, so B dash will be 1 2 and 6. Okay, now next is A dash intersection B dash. So A dash intersection, so what is the common element between this, will be 1 and 6. Okay, next is you have to prove that A union B complement. First you have to find A union B. So A union B will be 2 3 4 and 5, but A union B complement will be 1 and 6, isn't it? Okay, now you have to prove that A union B complement, which is this, must be equal to A complement intersection B complement, which is this. So it is coming equal. So all of you, I hope, got the idea what do you mean by complement. So there are some properties, okay, some properties of complement sets. Okay, so first is your complement laws. That is, A union A complement will be always equal to U, that is universal, and A intersection A dash will be 5. There is nothing similarity between A and the A complement. Okay, this is known as complement law. Number 2 is De Morgan's law. So De Morgan's law is A union B complement is always equal to A complement intersection B complement, and A intersection B complement will be equal to A complement union B complement. The third is law of double complement. The third law is law of double complement. That means if you have a complement and again you take a complement, it will again come back to the original set A. Number 4 is law of empty sets and universal sets. That is, empty set complement will be equal to U, or universal set complement is equal to 5. Okay, so these are the 4 laws that is included inside the concept of complement of sets. Now suppose, let me draw some Venn diagram for you all. Suppose if you have A union B complement, how you will draw this in the Venn diagram? So Venn diagram, that is A and B will be this. So A union B means the union means your A and B will be colored, but your question is now A union B complement, so you have to color the outside remaining part of A union B. Okay, next is, suppose it is given A intersection B dash. Okay, now for this let me take A and B. Now see here, let me do it one by one. Okay, so A dash, so this is your whole part A, isn't it? So what will be your A dash? A dash will be this part. If this is U, A dash will be the outside part of the A, and if you take B, so if you take B, your B will be the outside part, B dash will be the, this part will be your A dash, and the outside part of B will be your B dash. Now you have to check the intersection between these two area, isn't it? Now you have to check what is common in between these two area. So if you see all together, now if you combine A dash intersection B dash, so what will be the common area between them? Will be this part and it will be this part, isn't it? So if you see, this is also under, so if you see your first diagram and if you see the second diagram, it is again showing the, so it is coming under the De Morgan's law. That's why you are getting the same result as number 1, isn't it? Okay, so in this way we can do Venn diagram for complement of sets also. Thank you.